Hi Daly City Rec at home, my name is Cherry and today we'll be making Marshmallow Snowman. For your supplies today, you'll be needing large marshmallows, medium-sized marshmallows, mini marshmallows, pretzel sticks, chocolate chips, candy corn, a knife, some wax paper, and some toothpicks. Your first step is to take the large marshmallow and cut it in half. Next, you're going to take your medium marshmallow and grab one pretzel stick and then connect all three pieces together. Now you're going to take one pretzel stick and break it in half and stick it into the mini marshmallows to make the feet. After that, you're going to take two pretzel sticks and put it in the medium marshmallow for the arms. Then you're going to use the chocolate chips for the buttons, and then I'm going to melt some to make the eyes and mouth. Your final step is to use the candy corn for the nose, and if you want, you could use more pretzel sticks for the hair. And that's how you make the Marshmallow Snowman. Thanks for watching.